anyone who's used Navision, NAV, or BC, and they're in the financial area before, you know about account schedules. Account schedules are effectively your financial statements, right? Well, they've finally taken the jump, the leap, to rename account schedules to financial reporting. So now you no longer see account schedules anywhere. You see financial reporting listed on the menu.
Do you like that?
I love it.
Changed, yeah.
I love it, right? Because for 20 plus years, I've been having to explain new terminology to people about what is account schedules, and sometimes the terminology just doesn't make sense,
Gotcha.
right? So now it's called financial reporting. They've also changed the structure of it. So this also used to be kind of not intuitive completely. The account schedule names were actually sets of rows, and then account schedule column layouts were sets of columns. And you just assigned a default column to each name, but then you could change the column layout if you wanted, and kind of to train people. What they've done now is they've created what they call row definitions and column definitions.
Okay.
So you can create an unlimited number of row definitions, an unlimited number of column definitions. And then the financial reporting name itself is simply a description with one row definition and one column definition set.
Okay.
So you can create an unlimited number of those, but it's really just a combination of rows and columns that you want to see together. So I like it. You can also copy one financial report, again, just a combination of rows and columns, to a new one, change your column format, give it a new name. So it's pretty quick to create a new one.
Nice.
And then really sweet, you can, let's say you have multiple companies or multiple environments, and you've set up all your account schedules or financial reporting in one company, but now you're going live or you're deploying a new company. You can export your financial reporting, one financial report. It behind the scenes builds a configuration package with everything it needs. Then you can go into a different Business Central company environment and import the financial report. And it builds the column layouts, row layouts, and financial reporting.
Sounds like a huge time saver.
Right. Yeah.
That's pretty cool. So
I love it. I've always been a huge fan of account schedules. I was a little skeptical, but it's all great. So far I ran into no gotchas or issues on that.
How long do you think it'll take you to drop the account schedules terminology?
For me personally, like you're
gonna be saying it?
No, financial reports is much.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
Right.
It's financial reporting. Yeah. So not long.